Hi friends, in this video we will talk about what is order of group. So let us discuss what is order of group. The number of elements in a group is said to be order of group. मतलब एक ग्रुप में जितना भी नंबर ऑफ एलिमेंट्स होगा वही उस ग्रुप का ऑर्डर होगा. For example, a group of fourth roots of unity is a group of order 4. To understand better, let us consider example. If G is equal to group of fourth roots of unity, then its element will be 1 minus 1 I minus I. Here the number of elements in G is equal to 4. So the order of group will be 4. One more thing, it is also denoted by OG is equal to 4. So, one more revision. The number of elements in a group is said to be order of group. मतलब एक ग्रुप में जितना भी नंबर ऑफ एलिमेंट्स होगा वही उस ग्रुप का ऑर्डर होगा.